guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Ella. I film fun college lifestyle and beauty related videos. If this is your first time watching my video, I promise I don't look like this all the time. Today is 4th of July. Happy 4th to everyone out there. I obviously have on no makeup and lashes, kind of an odd combination. I'm spending all the day at the pool with friends and family, so I just have on sunscreen and I put on some lashes because I thought I was going to do makeup and then I decided not to. But anyway, if you guys want to know 6 tips on how to make money this summer, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. If you want to see more of me, you can follow me on all of my social media. It's always linked down below. I'm super active on there and I love to communicate with you guys. So happy 4th and let's go get into this video. Hey guys, so I have 6 ways on how to make money this summer. I remember when I was younger and before I could get a job, I know some of my viewers are younger and a lot of times a lot of places won't hire you even if you're not 16 yet. So, or if you're not like 15, 16, kind of like in that driving range. I know it is kind of hard sometimes. So I created 6 ways, or I not created, like these all existed, but I put together 6 ways that I have found that you can make money this summer, and hopefully these will help you as well. So yeah, so tip number, if I look down, it's because I'm trying not to ramble today. I'm trying to get better. But anyway, so tip number 1 is photography. With photography, I mean, you can shoot for people for Instagram, weddings, baby showers, any like photo event, you could say, because nowadays everything is so picture related with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Visco, Snapchat. I mean, every like media or YouTube, what you're watching this on, is also like picture video oriented. So if you are kind of talented in that area, I really do recommend doing some trial shoots at first, like maybe just shoot like with your family or friends, and then kind of creating like a lookbook or like a portfolio, and then you can send it out to people and like have like your mom post it on Facebook and be like, hey, like so and so, like my daughter is taking pictures for people for any event. It's like $50 for 50 photos or whatever you want to charge. But that is one really good way, because a lot of people want nice photos for everything, but if they're older, they may not know how to take them, or they don't want to book a super expensive photographer, or the photographer's hours don't work. So this is one way. As a millennial, you can probably take a ton of money, because I feel like we just came out the womb with cameras in our hands. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is web design or computer work. A lot of people, or not a lot of people, but in the world, people are aging, or people are always aging, but like the older generations, I mean, they don't know how to work computers as well as someone who's in college or high school, or even little kids with their iPads these days. So you could definitely offer your services to like an elderly neighbor, or if someone's doing like a small business but doesn't know how to set up like an Excel sheet, things like that, you could definitely make some money that way. It may not be a ton of money, but I'm the type of person where money's money. So yeah. So tip number 3 would be to sell your items. I have a full video, which I will be linking down below, all about my Poshmark ventures. I was able to fund my entire spring break trip on that. Just getting rid of stuff is good in general, because odds are you probably don't wear a lot of the things you have, or you have clothes from when you were younger. And if you don't have to pass them down to siblings or things like that, it is a great way to get rid of things. Sorry if I keep looking funny. It's because I have these lashes on and I just can't even with them right now. So I'm sorry. But on with the whole selling things, I recommend garage sales, Poshmark, Mercari, even eBay or Facebook Marketplace are all really great places where you can sell all of your items. I know Poshmark is super safe because you don't have to meet up with anyone. Poshmark handles all of that and the shipping and everything. So I really, and if you are like younger, I would say younger than 18, I do recommend getting like at least like a parent's okay if you do try to sell things on eBay, because sometimes people can be sketchy. So that's just kind of my tips for that. Or even with Facebook Marketplace, like because sometimes they'll want to come get it from your house, or they want you to come there. If you are underage, like not an adult, I do recommend getting parent permission or go with a group of friends so you are safe. I do not want any of my viewers or really anyone to just put themselves in a unsafe environment. So tip number 4 would be, this is more kind of like at home work, but offer to clean things. If your parents are always nagging at you and your siblings to do chores, if no one does them, you can be like, hey, I'll do so-and-so's chores. Like, I would recommend, or even, this is really good if you live in the dorms. I had a friend who did this. She would go like right before like parents weekend or things like that, and like offer to help people clean. Like, and by clean I mean vacuum, Windex, Clorox, the whole 9 yards. So that is one way you can make a lot of money, because people will pay whatever it takes to have a nice living space and a clean living space. So that is one way you can make money, but I do, again, recommend you being older and just making sure you're staying in safe situations. And then number 5, it's pretty obvious, but babysitting or nannying, whatever you want to call it, just watching the local kids in your area, especially if you are CPR certified, like I am for my job, and it isn't expensive. So I do recommend getting CPR certified, or if you can, which is even better, lifeguard certified. And then you can charge a lot more that way, because then you can say, I can take them to the pool, or if anything happens to them, like I am medically trained, like not like they're not going to die on my watch basically. So that is one way. If you do take the baby, like watching children route, you can make more money that way. And it looks really good when you're telling parents, yeah, I'm CPR certified, like nothing will happen. Okay guys, sorry, my dad came in, he wanted to talk to me. He's getting gas in the car, which is really nice. So tip number 6 would just be to get a regular job. If none of these work, I do recommend like applying at your local malls or restaurant work. I've done it before. It isn't the best. Like the hours are always really bad, but it is guaranteed shift. And if you're fun and creative and love talking to people, or if you want to get out of your shell, YouTube's a great place. So, I mean, that's why I did it. I liked Instagram. I love the whole creative space, and I can talk to a wall. I'm super social. So I was like, maybe learning how to talk more proper and learning how to talk better would be good for like not internships, but interviews. So that is one way. It's great practice. YouTube is great practice for things like that. So yeah, these are 6 tips on how to get jobs and make money this summer. I hope you guys are having a fantastic summer and a fantastic 4th of July if you live in the States or wherever you are. Also be safe, and make sure you put your animals inside. Hopefully this will be going up today. Probably will be going up on Friday. But yeah, and I hope everyone's having a great afternoon, morning, or night. If you guys liked me and want to see more of me, definitely hit the subscribe button down below and click the little bell, and you'll never miss when I upload. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to me and who has stuck around and stayed loyal and watching my videos. It means the world to me. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing great. Bye.
But hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls.